How to glass out a hood on a Tesla Model 3. Really simple, really easy. Let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start on this corner here. I'm gonna lock this guy in place by removing my magnet. Now you can use tape to hold it in place, but I like these magnets. Mag straps makes them. Now we're gonna pull back part of our liner, our backing, and we're gonna lock that right there. Now we've got our backing folded underneath, and we're gonna just pull the backing out. So I'm gonna show you guys that right here. I'm gonna take this magnet off. It may throw my alignment slightly out, but nothing to worry about. There we go. So we got our liner removed. Now, at this point, we got it misaligned and we got some red on the back side here, right? And we're got some fingers and stuff. So this is where glassing out comes into play. All right, so this is where glassing out is crucial. We've got some red exposed here. So we're gonna pick the film up carefully. I'm gonna grab both sides. And it wrapped itself around there. So we're gonna there we go. Now this looks like a mess right now, so nothing to worry about. Now we're just gonna get this to the edge where we need it, and we're gonna lock it down. And really there. Right on that corner. Get a little tension here this way. As you can see, this top edge is perfect. Now, I'm pulling this way and this way a little bit. So we're gonna go, and we're gonna put a little bit more tension all the way along here. Not too much. We can also go like this. And walk that right. Re-track this corner. So that is glassed out right now. Now, this guy did something we don't want, pulled it over on itself, no big deal. As you can tell, we're putting a little bit of tension on it, not too much. Fingers are underneath here a little bit, but that's okay because it's going past it. So, I've pulled just this way right now, just into this corner. It's already wrapping itself a little bit, but we got fingers here. So we're just gonna lift that up. You can tell with that little bit of tension that I'm giving it, it's already wanting to wrap itself around. So we're gonna do the same thing here. All right, so we are glassed out all the way there. Now, we're gonna come this way. Slight tension. This is looking perfect. We're setting ourselves up for really an easy install right now. All right, guys, and that is how to glass out a hood. So glassing is making it look like this. We have not put a squeegee on this hood yet, and it looks like it's laid down perfectly. So all we gotta do now is squeegee it. But that is it for this video on how to glass out a Model 3 hood or any easy hood like this. There's more complicated hoods, and we'll show those in future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.